In this video, I will show you how to add Instagram posts to WordPress. Let's get started. So you can see right here that I have in here a blog post of a dog, and I also have on another page on Instagram. So on my Instagram right here, I have this cute picture of a cute dog. So let's head over and click on this three dots. Click on this embed option, and you should be able to see this. Click on this copy embed code. You have the option to include the caption or not. Now, once you have copied that, head back to the first tab that you have in here earlier. Click on this plus icon. And then from in here, you should be able to see this search bar. So click on this and search in here for HTML. And then let's search in here for that, and you should be able to see this. So you can add that wherever you want it put. So for example, for this case, let's head over and add this right below this one. And then as you can see, this will be added to my page. Once it's been added, you can just head over and paste the actual code that we have and click on preview right here. And then as you can see, this has been added. Now what you can do next is to just head over and click on the save option, and you should be good to go. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.